All right, welcome back, everybody. Time now for better food. Take your taco night up a notch with shrimp tacos.
It sounds so fantastic. It
smells
amazing. Kevin is here from Bar Taco to show us how to make the perfect chili lime shrimp taco.
And
You've
Efren,
got a lot.
joining us too. Thank you so much. We appreciate
Martinez,
it.
thank you so
Great,
much for being with us today. You guys have a lot of ingredients here.
Yes, we have a lot of full flavors. Ancho pepper, cayenne pepper, jalapeno, serrano, arbol, name it.
Kevin,
Yeah.
I don't think there's a more
Wonderful.
popular restaurant in West Hartford Center than
We are very, very blessed. Yes, it's a great restaurant to come. It's a great place to hang out. We've got things like this. This is a secret taco, by the way.
Oh,
So
wow.
don't tell anybody. We got a secret taco.
All right.
So if you're in the know, you get to know that this comes out every once in a while. It's not on the menu.
Oh, seriously?
Oh,
But
secret
this is
menu.
perfect for like the weather
I-
outside.
Yeah.
This is bold flavors that are going to heat you up.
I asked for outdoor seating the other night. They said no.
We had.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
call
no,
me.
Just all right.
I
I'll
got
call.
you. I got
Kevin, I need outdoor seating. It's snowing.
You'll be the only one out there.
Exactly.
We actually get people that want to sit out there.
No, come on.
50
Oh, my
degrees,
goodness.
40 degrees. You put the heaters out there, and everybody's.
all right.
Okay.
It's fun.
All
I'm telling
right.
you, it's a lot of fun.
So how do we begin?
So this taco here, like I said, it's one of our newest, boldest tacos that we've made in a long time.
Okay.
And it's actually fun to say. We got a vegetable escabeche.
Oh.
We got a papita salsa matcha. So it's a lot of cool, fun things to say here.
I don't know why you have to curse at me. Family
so
show.
what we're gonna do is Efren's gonna go ahead and make the shrimp up for you. It's already been marinated in the marinade, which has got a kick to it. As he said, there's a lot of spices that are going into there, a lot of different things there.
Okay.
And you guys can make your salad. So when you make your tacos, you'll have your escabeche ready to go.
Right, all right.
So,
Okay.
so he's got the oil heating up in the frying pan
All
right
right.
now.
Okay.
He's gonna throw in the marinated shrimp. While
Okay.
he's doing that, you guys can kind of whip up your salad. So you've got your jicama, carrots, you've got cucumbers, you've got onions. So go ahead and put that into your bowl.
Into the
All
bowl?
of
Okay.
this.
As much as you want. Like, it's for your taco. So you're gonna build a taco. You
Okay.
can do a huge one, little
What
one.
is this? Jicama?
Jicama. It's a great crunchy root. It's actually this one right here. It's like big brown thing.
Okay.
You can get it at all the
Okay.
grocery stores, but it adds a lot of texture, a little sweetness to it too. It's got a nice bite and adds a nice crunch to it. So what'll happen is with this salad and the dressing on it, we'll kind of offset a little bit of the heat that goes on with the shrimp.
Little red onion
Yeah, little red onion.
and then this
and the
is
cucumber.
Okay.
cucumber.
Oh my gosh, I just
So-
poured this entire thing in.
The squash, I'm sorry.
Squash.
Did I just-
Yeah, how do you say that squash again?
The chayote squash.
Chayote squash.
Beautiful.
Okay.
It's
Chayote
very
squash.
popular with
And your dressing right there is a little bit.
soups.
A little bit.
Soups,
Okay. Yeah.
the line.
Adds that kick.
chicken, yeah.
That's good too,
Yeah,
right there.
love it.
So the chayote squash is actually a fruit, which is cool. It's got a big pit in the middle.
Yep.
But like he's saying, it's very edible. A lot of times they're used in stews and soups and things like that. So,
Okay,
Yeah.
All right,
fantastic.
so I'm mixing it up.
So he's got that. Grab your tortilla shell. You can put it on your tray right there,
Okay,
and you guys got yours.
Well, mine's nice and warm.
this is warm.
Nice
Yum.
form.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this.
Yeah. So
Yep.
he's gonna be cooking up the shrimp. While he's doing that, it'll just take a few minutes to do that. You can take your salad that you just mixed up.
I think
Put
I
a little
put
bit
a
on the
little
bottom of your
bit too
taco.
much of this
A little
here.
bit.
You can put a little bit of the vinegar.
Vinegar
Got some
in
chili.
the salad. Okay.
If you
Perfect.
want more,
Thank
it's
you
a
so
taco
much.
today.
We're gonna
You can
kind
make
of like a
a big
pickle.
old taco.
Yes.
You can make a small taco.
I
So
think
there you
that's
go.
enough. Perfect.
That looks wonderful.
And so while he's doing that, we do have, as you can see, a lot of different items at Bar Taco. Everything is scratch made. We have a big game coming up, so if you're deciding to have a party or anything at your house, we do a lot of party packs, anything from 5 to over 100.
You cater.
Exactly.
Just come on in and let you do the work.
And it's fun. You do stuff like this. People at your house are hanging out, they're building tacos. It's just a great time to get together and with friends
Imagine
and family.
that, building a little taco
so
station.
fun.
Yeah,
So
I can't
fun.
wait for you to host this party, Irene.
I'll
Very
be
funny.
having Efren and Kevin at my
There you
house.
go. There you go.
Very fun and easy to
Yeah.
build.
Very
So easy.
fun.
Very
So
convenient.
fun.
All
yeah.
right, so how are those looking?
Looking really good.
Okay.
They look
You want to
amazing.
put them on?
I'm gonna put them
All
on.
right, so he's going to put a couple shrimp on each one of your tacos.
Just a
Okay.
couple. I mean, these are pretty small tortillas, so you just put a
Exactly.
couple.
They're
Yeah.
bite-sized, 2 to 3 bites each. The thing
Okay.
is, we have so many different flavors, and like I said, everything's scratch made. We want people to try a whole bunch of different ones.
Yeah.
And that's the deal. They go to the table, they eat family style. It's a conversation. It's friends. It's a blast over there.
Yeah.
So you got
Efren,
that.
thank you so much.
No problem.
I
This
love
right here is
your
your
shirt
sauce.
and Efren's hat.
Yes.
I love
Here's
them
the sauce.
both.
What is
Here's
this?
the sauce.
We got
Love
sauce, Irene.
All right.
Okay.
And this
we're
is your sauce
forgetting the
here.
sauce.
All
Okay.
right.
So this is the cool part about your taco is that
A lot or
full
a little?
flavors,
I would do a
matcha,
little.
A little
arbol
spicy.
sauce, very spicy. You
Okay.
might want to be gentle with it because
We do have the fire extinguisher nearby, just in case.
just in case
I
we
can
have
see
it ready.
the red chili sauce.
Yeah.
I'm perspiring.
I know.
But it's perfect for like a day, like you were saying, it's perfect for a day like today. It's freezing
Well, if you're
outside,
looking
you
to
want
make
something
this,
warm.
We're going to have the recipe on betterct.com. For more information about Bar
Yes.
Taco, go to bartaco.com/location/west-hartford. The restaurant is in West Hartford Center, and we'll have the link online as well. Ready?
Yeah, perfect.
Go ahead.
Thanks.
Oh, wow.
Got a little pickled. You can get that
Oh my
spice.
God.
That heat's going to kind of come through the back of your throat.
Oh, it's coming.
There it
That's
is. There it
amazing.
is.
Woo!